how to use Reddit as a guest on your Reddit application, or how you can simply do these things on your phone on the mobile application. Now let's start this video without having any delay further. To simply use the Reddit without having an account, without attaching your Gmail ID, without attaching your phone number, there is no option to use the Reddit. You can use Reddit web, but then you cannot see any of the content uploaded on Reddit without having an actual account on it. So let me just show you, is there any possibility of doing this thing? So here I'm going to open my Reddit application right in front of you, as I have already an account here. So I'm going to show you how you can simply remove this account. So click on right top of the screen, scroll down and select the setting on the bottom of screen. From this menu, click on account setting, and then in account setting you're going to see an option called switch accounts. Click on this. I will add an account, or here is an option called anonymous browsing. This is a feature called guest browsing on